What we are seeing playing out on the world stage is a war against all people by their own governments, instead of a hot war using deadly weaponry against some manufactured enemy state. Everything is tied together in the same war against we, humanity, by collaborating nation-states. Welcome to Pure Element 5. My name's Suzanne, and today's epiphany came from seeing everything is connected. We cannot view events as singular, unique situations or threats. The movie playing out in front of us all is part of the same agenda. Although each nation is warring against its own citizens, this is a global effort that is not individually structured, but is reacting independently by design, with the top tier of the most powerful controlling the strings of the political class puppets worldwide. By the end of this video, you'll learn about the military-industrial complex. What we see playing out on the world stage is a war against all people by their own governments, not some manufactured enemy state. If you decide you'd like to be exposed to news, information, or perspectives that contravene the prevailing NATO view on the war in Ukraine, a rigorous and lengthy search is required. And even then, there is no guarantee that such a search will succeed. That's because the state corporate censorship regime currently imposed in the West with regard to this war is stunningly aggressive, rapid, and comprehensive. While your average useless eater is concerned about surging inflation, supply chain issues, and power cuts, one thing the mainstream media is saturated with is mind-boggling headlines that Britain is sending an additional £1.3 billion in military aid to Ukraine. Biden-bot has pledged £1.3 billion in military aid and economic support. Norway announces that it will send long-range rocket artillery to Ukraine. Australia is sending another $330 million, including 40 Bushmaster trucks. And Canada is sending another $25 million. These are the headlines from a quick scan just from today. The goal is to wash money out of the tax bases of the world through Ukraine and back into the hands of the greedy security elite. Therefore, the goal is an endless war. Though the media claimed for months that it was a conspiracy theory, the New York Times confirmed on Friday the 24th of June 2022 that CIA have boots on the ground in Ukraine. Here's the thing, if you're funding, arming, and advising the military and you have boots on the ground, at what point do you admit that you're involved in a proxy war? In a speech on Tuesday the 28th of June 2022, General Sir Patrick Sanders, head of the UK Army, said the war requires forces across defence that are modernised, relevant, and harness the potential of the fourth industrial revolution. So now the UK Army are fighting for the World Economic Forum transhumanist cult beliefs. On behalf of humanity and all life on Earth, this is completely unacceptable. If you thought this was pure engagement, please give us a thumbs up. And if you thought it was pure poo, feel free to give us a thumbs down. It helps us create the content you want to see. The links are down below if you want to catch us on other mediums, along with a link to our website so you can download our free ebook. Until we meet again, the essence of who you truly are is pure love. Go out and connect with someone and show them the love.